Hello to my dear viewer, subscribers and everyone out there. Hope you all are doing fine. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for joining in. I would like to thank you all from beneath of my heart for supporting and helping to reach our first 500 plus subscribers. So keep loving and keep supporting, so that the channel could grow and reach to 1000 plus subscribers. Welcome to the today's new episode, which is from the house of Suzuki. The 1998 Suzuki SV400 and SV400S is a naked V-twin sports category machine, following similar engine configuration from its elder sibling SV650 and SV650S but scaled down to 400cc class with following style, design, ergonomics and body language. Also popular for its renowned SV batches legacy and coated as stock full and lightweight V-twin street bikes. The SV400 and SV400S are sister models to the export spec SV650 and SV650S that were developed at the same time and share chassis components. These models are equipped with an aluminum-type diamond frame, a distinctive new feature for 400cc class naked bikes. The newly designed 400cc liquid-cooled 90-degree V-twin DOHC 4-valve per-cylinder engine mated to a 6-speed gearbox constant mesh transmission. It generates a class-leading maximum torque of 41.2 Nm at 8,000 revolutions per minute. The engine is designed to produce its maximum horsepower 39 kW, 53 PS, at 10,500 revolutions per minute, creating dynamic power characteristics from the low to middle revs right up to the red line. A dry weight of only 159 kg, SV400, was achieved by sweeping weight reduction efforts, helping to realize superlative turning performance and handling. Added to reflect rider preference, the SV400S features a compact windscreen as part of its sporty exterior styling. The SV400 weighs about 159 kg, dry, whereas SV400S is at 163 kg, dry. Both models share similar cycle parts and specs. Front tire size and wheel profile are 120/60ths R17 whereas rear got 160/60ths R17 respectively. At the Tokyo Motor Show in 2009, Suzuki announced they would also be making smaller capacity, 400cc Gladius SFV400 for the Japanese market inspired from SFV650 Gladius, a smaller more compact and overall a scaled-down version. Later in year 2009, Gladius 400 also quoted as an expression of the concept, elegant and sporty, came to the flash and was introduced with the new concept body design paired with the same V-twin motor. But this time it comes with ABS as standard. The Gladius 400 is a naked-type sports bike, pairs a rigid and stylish pressure-cast aluminium alloy diamond truss bike frame with a rider-friendly and powerful 400cc liquid-cooled 90-degree V-twin DOHC engine. The highly refined and flowing styling of the Gladius is a perfect match for its grace and sportiness. A fuel injection system and the unique Suzuki dual throttle valve (STTV) function to maintain optimum combustion for the riding conditions, while generating powerful torque in the low to mid RPM range, smooth power in the high RPM range, and more responsive acceleration. The throttle body also features Suzuki's unique built-in idle speed control (IAC) system that enhances cold startability and idling stability. Gladius is the name of the sword used by gladiators in the ancient Roman Empire. This bike was named in homage to its compact, easy to handle, and supremely balanced nature. The SFV400 was introduced till 2017, which obviously seems it to led through various courses of development with new colors as well as body graphics. Hope you all enjoyed such content. If it delivers or if you found it useful or informative, then please do give us a like, share and do subscribe so you would be notified for the future contents. Thank you.